Good morning. We are continuing on with the Lake Crescent adventures. This is day 2 of hanging out here. The water is the color of my sweatshirt and just so captivating. But there's some really beautiful hikes nearby the lake, and so Ryan and I decided to get up early this morning and come out before it gets crazy. And we're obviously by a creek, and just look at this beautiful surroundings. It's pretty fantastic. And we're getting ready to hike up the staircase, and it's pretty magical / spectacular looking. So
yeah, it's pretty cool.
Here we go. I mean, look at this bridge. It's bouncy. It's just a log. It's a hewn log, and it's bouncy. And here we go up the staircases. Well, not yet. Ryan's going to photograph the staircases. I can hear the falls already, but I don't know what I was expecting. We knew it was a short loop. The Marymere Falls is a very short loop. Oh wow, I can see the falls, and it is beautiful. Gorgeous. Well done. And we continue on.
Up the stairs. More stairs.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, it's really cool.
I didn't know you were filming.
We are walking back out to the Devil's Punch Bowl by Crescent Lake, or Lake Crescent. I keep saying Crescent Lake. It's Lake Crescent.
I know it. I don't know why, but it just makes more like it's verbal logic.
Yeah.
Even though I couldn't say verbal logic.
Verbal logic. We're walking back out to the Devil's Punch Bowl because Sue really wanted to jump into the water in Lake Crescent, and that looks like a good place.
And now I'm having second thoughts, but I'm doing it anyways because when am I ever going to get another chance? Who knows? Maybe we will never come back here, although I would highly recommend coming to Lake Crescent if you are in the Olympic rainforest, Olympic Peninsula. Yeah, highly recommend it.
So we're walking the hiking path back out there. Back out to the first train tunnel.
It's a nice walk.
Yeah. Just jump in.
didn't like panic swim back to the It's so creepy. It's like this dark blue out over there.
That's the whole point.
I know. It's almost terrifying. How am I doing this by myself? Are you filming right now?
Go ahead.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness. Oh. I did. I panic swimmed back out, but now I want to go back in.
Ooh. Do you want to wrap your hands up in my sweater?
No, my skin feels so weird, but I can, nope, there's nothing going to them. I'm just gonna pump them, make them work. This is the one that feels the weirdest, but I think it's because it actually does have blood flow, so it feels a lot more like tingly. I know, look at that. Yeah, you can see the blood flow right there. But it stops right here, and that's where it feels weird. Okay. If we get hiking and I get my heart pumping, it'll fix itself.
All right, we came back out and Sue went swimming. I'm glad we did.
Me
right?
too.
Yeah. We're heading back to the car and we're gonna go eat lunch now.
Yes.
I think this is probably the last day we'll be out here.
Yeah.
But it was worth it. Glad we came back out.
Yep, me too.
All right, we're almost back.
And my fingers are almost completely thawed.
Almost got them thawed out.
Oh, they're still tingling weird. But they look better. I don't like the way it feels. Stupid.